let's look at some of your profiles then. Is she here today? Yes, you are here, yes. So, what are you missing? You have no background picture. Why do you have no background picture? No, you've got to have a nice background picture. You have a fantastic photograph, and you're wearing the same dress, I noticed as well, so that's fantastic. Brilliant, brand consistency there, brilliant. You change it every day. That'd be so cool if you did that. I like this. Done is better than perfect. I like the fact you personalise it by putting a quote there, because I like quotes. I think as long as everyone doesn't use Steve Jobs quotes, that's fantastic. It's the people who just use Steve Jobs quotes the whole time as they didn't even say. It's like, really? But this is really good. I like the way you've described this. And then you have basically, you have this is what you do at AIG, but you have, what you're missing is media. You've got no media. So basically you have no content here, so there's no links to the website, no videos of you, for example. And the same thing here, there's no media. So you can see, when you put no media in, it's very, very wordy, whereas LinkedIn's quite a visual medium. People respond to pictures, videos, infographics. You need to put basically videos in. You need to do more posts. And it was prime time as well. You actually posted it on prime time. It's brilliant. Katia, that's Katia, yes Katia. So obviously you do have one. 3 pictures of you, I like that. That's brilliant. And then you do have nice keywords here, president, vice president and so forth. And you have lovely description as well. And then you're using content, so you are using content. So this is what I mean by content. Video, 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 brilliant. Because I can watch so many videos on her profile, it's fantastic. So you should be looking at her profile as a really good example. And then she's posting. Well, your last one was a month ago as well. You did nothing for a month. Why not? You didn't share my event. But at least you were doing that. Camilla, that's Camilla. Yes, Camilla. So I love the Kellogg's advert in the back. What's the background picture? Hope, okay. Hope, okay. I'm not buying that myself, but okay. I love the way you do it, because it's very bright, and it's very breezy, very positive, and it goes to this fantastic picture here where you're smiling, and it's very professional as well, so it looks brilliant. And your summary is quite petite though, shall we say. It's very minimal, and there's no media either, so you need to have some videos up there, some links and so forth. And then even here, for example, you obviously got the company of self-employees. You create a company. Kath Vincent's got a company. Put a company of your company up there. There's no reason why you can't do that. And then obviously the Coke stuff there, but you can put some videos here. Again, media, media, media. Visualize it. And then your last post was 2 weeks ago, and it was about open plan offices, which is cool. Lisa, is she here? Yes, hey. So maybe you can explain the background picture. Fine, okay. I go for that. And I like this. Yeah, member, board director, prime time. I tend not to like this side of things where you do basically your listing. Because there's not really a bio, like a summary, there's no storytelling, there's no context to it, it's very factual. And there's not a lot of content here. And even they don't have a company page or you're not connected to the right company page because it's got no logo. So there's no media here as well, so it'd be really, really good to put some media here. And then your last post again was a month ago. You were there. You were at the same place I was, yes. We had this very silly thing where we made Lego, basically. We played with Lego for a couple of hours. And then Belinda, there's Belinda. There you are, Belinda, okay. So obviously Belinda doesn't have a background picture, doesn't have a summary section, has no content. And the last post was 2 months ago. Belinda, you didn't share this event either. You liked it, but you didn't share it. I'm talking about sharing it. 1%, not 9%. No, you were 9%, not 1%. You need to be 1%. So you liked it, but you didn't share it. You tagged, yes. You liked the post. Anyway, you should do more anyway, the point is. Suzanne? Where is she? Is she here? Is she hiding? Okay. So she's doing a background picture. Well, she does have a really cool strapline here. Life is not about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. There you go, think about that. Fundamental. And then she's got lots of videos too, which is cool. And then she's actually got some videos here as well, but she has no, for example, company page. But she is sharing from a week ago, Jack Ma. Laura, You're over here like, oh my God, what are you doing over there? So Laura, you obviously have no background picture. Dedicated, outgoing creators though, so that's fine. But you have no media as far as I can see. And even here, for example, you have no media here as well. You need to have a bit more media. And your last post was a week ago for the Giving Tree Associates, which is cool. And Nadine around? Yes, Nadine, hi. So again, background picture. What's the background picture? Connecting. Oh, okay, fine. Okay. And then you've got obviously human resources by training, but salesperson by heart. I like that. That's really cool. Makes you stand out. And then you've got you need some more content there. You've got prime time there, which is cool. And you've got a link or a picture of the prime time ball, which is also fantastic. And then you have a post from 2 weeks ago, which is cool. Stephanie. Yeah, Stephanie. So love this, brilliant. Business about people, it's about relationships, fantastic. You've gone strong on that. And then of course you have the keywords here, relationship marketing. And then you have the summary section, which is cool. But you have no description of your content, of your experience, and no links and no videos and stuff like that. But the rest of it's pretty cool. And the last post was a week ago. Again, it was also prime time. Annika? Is she here? Yes, Annika. So background picture, obviously Singapore. Obviously personal choice about whether you want Singapore, but a million other people have got that picture as well. So we would say potentially put some personalization around it. And then when you do my cardinal sin, you write about yourself in the third person. It's like if you went to people here and you started talking about Annika, people will start moving away from you. You have to say I. LinkedIn's very much, it's here, it's me and you. So you have to talk to someone in a me and you kind of conversation. It's first person, we believe, not third person. And also this bit here, CEO and life coach, I would say wasn't really explaining what you did. And there wasn't really enough kind of keywords. It's almost like the CEO of the HSBC one who wasn't the CEO. You really need to kind of expand it out, for example, and put some more keywords there, for example. And then here, obviously, I don't think it's got a company page. Has it got a company page? Oh, okay, so you can create a company page, so at least you have a logo there, and people can then check it out. And then here, all you got here is a description of different things without really giving it context. So tell a story around it, put some story around it, and then you've got the two links, which is cool. You've got the videos.